While spectacular, the risk is real.
You get a safety orientation.
What do you do if you fall in the water? Swim back to the raft, exactly. Use our bodies. Alrighty.
Your guide shows you how to paddle and stay in the boat.
And it's not uncommon for people to take a swim.
People want to be concerned with getting back to the boat because it's important. You don't want to swim down this whole river.
Sometimes it's the whole boat. Other times it's the Channel 2 swim team.
Hey! Keep your feet up! Pull them in now! Get your feet up! Get your feet up! Yeah!
It's tucked away out here on the Turnagain Arm. It's a beautiful spot, beautiful canyons down there, and along with the beauty, along with the sanctitude, along with the total remoteness of it, you have the great, wonderful rapids, intense run.
But ultimately, it's the experience of the guides like Peacock, Lango, and G-Ride that keep you safe. As you take on rapids with equally colorful names.
Merry-go-round,
Pearly gates.
big zigzag.
3 canyons.
Trip gets progressively more difficult as you move downstream.
Each more challenging than the one before.
Really nice drops, really big splashes, fast, technical turns.
Probably the most involved section of Whitewater, day stretch of Whitewater in Alaska.
There's a lot of waiting, filled in by moments of extreme panic.
A one-of-a-kind experience in a state that has more river miles than road miles. One that requires no experience, only a sense of adventure.
No man runs the same river twice. River's not the same and you're not the same man, even if you think you were.
All right, guys, put your paddles in the air. Paddle high five. Fantastic work out there. That was 6 Mile Creek.
For Assignment Alaska, with photojournalist Eric Soll, Blake Essig, Channel 2 News.